Custom magnetic charging cabinets for tablets, available in 4, 8, and 12 slots. Portable wireless charging stations for bulk charges, compatible with tablets, PDAs, and more. Features include remote lock, unlock, and other management capabilities. Import up to 12 volts 5A DC or power via port. Output power 36 watts with fast charging support. Supports wireless charging and magnetic pogo pin connections with device compatibility allowance. We can integrate all 3 communication methods into one charger. Available for 4, 8, or 12 device charging needs. Materials: ABS plastic or metal, customizable to your requirements. Safety feature: overcharge protection.